What's your rating? What's your price target on Nike? And what are you looking at for this upcoming report?
Yeah, so we have an outperform rating and a $150 price target, which suggests nice upside from current levels. Look, the bottom line for me, and again, this is going to be it's a very anticipated report. I frankly can't wait till after the market closed to see what Nike says. But look, in my view, and what I've been telling our clients, and I've been talking a lot on CNBC, I think the sentiment here on Nike has gotten way too negative. There's just, now, to be fair, there's reason for concerns. We talk a lot about a still shaky, if you will, macro backdrop. I think a prior guest of yours was talking about the restart of student loan payments, which is essentially happening in a few days. I mean, there's definitely uncertainty out there. But if you look at Nike and the power of this brand in the United States and globally, I think the sentiment on the stock has just gotten way too negative.
All right, let's talk about the power of this brand. I mean, at least in big cities, the Jordan 1, the Dunk, has been ubiquitous. You see it everywhere. People wear them with suits. They wear them to work out everywhere. Some analysts, including Goldman, they're worried about innovation. They believe that Jordan 1 and Dunk cycles already peaked, and they're asking basically what's next. So what is next for Nike? Where do they get their next leg of growth when it comes to their footwear business?
Yeah, look, innovation. I mean, I think the least of my concerns here is with innovation. I think Nike several years ago, okay, this is a while back, I think Nike may have gotten a little lax with their innovation. And at that time, they allowed companies like Adidas, to kind of, gain traction, if you will. Now, I think Nike is very much on top of the innovation game. And it's interesting, every quarter, and they'll do this again tonight, they talk about the new products coming out, the new technologies, so to say, both within their footwear and within their clothing. And this is across Jordan, Nike, running, everything. So, look, I think Nike's doing a great job on innovation at this point. It's just not a concern of mine.
What about On Running, Hoka? Are they actually gaining market share in meaningful ways? Is that something that Nike investors should be worried about?
They're very small at this point. It's difficult to measure perfectly market share shifts in real time, right? So I follow Dick's Sporting Goods. Okay, that's another name I've talked about a lot. I like it. Is a key distribution partner for Nike. If you go into a Dick's store today, I mean, Dick's has done a phenomenal job with footwear. But look, in the footwear section, they display well Hoka and On with Nike. Okay, so clearly, and you see me, this is going to maybe a silly comment, but as I watch the footwear everyone's wearing wherever I am, I mean, you definitely see Hoka and On out there. But again, this is a massive market. Okay. Right? A massive market. And these brands are still very, very small. And Nike is very, very large. So I'm not too terribly concerned with the market share shift there.
All right, so maybe analysts overstating the risk there. I do want to ask you about potential headwinds, the rising dollar. Looking at the dollar right now, up 3.5% in the second half of the year, and also Nike itself flagged shipping costs. How concerned are you about the rising dollar and also supply chain?
Yes, let me take those in reverse order. I mean, the shipping cost, that to me is a big positive over the next several quarters. Okay, and this is true for most all consumer companies, most all retailers. These entities dealt with rapidly rising shipping costs through the pandemic. Okay, those shipping costs have come down dramatically now. In some cases, I'm hearing container costs and other costs are actually below pre-pandemic levels. It's just a matter of time before the accounting, so to say, catches up. So I think that is a positive for Nike, and I think we'll see better gross margins at Nike over the next the next several quarters. And I apologize. What was your first question, Frank?
The rising dollar up 3.5% in the second half of the year.
So the dollar, look, I mean, it's an interesting dynamic. I tend to think, and I don't want to get too technical here, but look, given that Nike is a global company, a stronger dollar does have implications. But I think the stock tends to trade on dollar neutral type results, meaning constant currency. Okay. So yeah, I'm not as concerned there either. I think the real key here is, I think again, like I said at the onset, the sentiment's gotten too negative. I think this brand is still very, very solid. I think sales are holding up, and I think you'll see improving profit picture over the next several quarters.